In this tutorial, I will show you healing brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump on it. I am now in Adobe Photoshop and you can access healing brush tool from right clicking here and healing brush tool, which keyboard shortcut is J. So it has few mode are normal, replace, multiply, screen, lighten, color, luminosity, and source is sample, pattern. Here is align, use legacy, and sample content below. Here is also diffusion below. It is selected as 5. It is 1 to 7. You can see 1 to 7. So it is selected as 5. Okay. So when I want to hide this acne with this skin texture, so I am clicking Alt, hold down Alt and clicking here to copy the source and then paste here. You can see my blend mode is normal. Okay, so you got I am hiding this acne by using this texture, copying and paste here. So if I do replace, what is the difference between normal and replace? All the time we used actually normal actually blend. You can see that I am sourcing from here and my blend mode normal, so I am pasting it here. You can see normal is blending this texture, blending with this here, this texture and luminosity, and actually this is blending. But when we replace, we use blend mode replace, we can copy this and you can see it is pasting exactly what here it is. It is just copy and paste, but in the normal it blends with the below textures. Here is rarely used, these are, but you can consider color. You can see I want to remove this acne, so I am clicking the source point. My mode is color, so I am clicking. You can see the first it is copy the color and remove the color from the targeted position. Then if you use luminosity and clicking here, now you can see now the acne has been removed. You can consider to use both color and luminosity and normal and replace. Then the source was sampled. Also you can paste any pattern if you wish. Here is a button which is aligned. You can see I am first of aligned unchecked. I am clicking and source from here. Now you can see I am pasting it and the plus cursor button below the circle is here. Again I am pasting it. You can see it's random, it's open same time from the same location, but when it aligned, you can see I am clicking here and pasting it. You can see now I am pasting it. It will the cursor, the source clone position has been changed from the beginning with the new source target position where I am using. And also some sample, if you use current layer, you can work on current layer, and current and below, it's mean if we use a new layer and if it below, we can work on the empty layer also, as we mentioned it's sample current and below. So you can see in the empty layer I'm clicking here and paste the source. I'm going to normal and clicking here and see it has been replaced because this is current and below, and also all layers would be used. And diffusion is more than blending, more this feather it's add. If you add higher diffusion value, it will add more feathery in the textures or copied part. So I hope you got the healing brush tool. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.